The city of Las Cruces is now using ranked choice voting for all their elections. Ranked choice voting is a system that allows voters to rank multiple candidates in order of preference, then uses those rankings to elect the candidate most preferred by all constituents. So how exactly does ranked choice voting work? Although it sounds complicated, it's quite simple. First, all voters' first choices are counted. If one candidate receives at least 50% of the vote, the race ends there. If no one candidate receives a majority of the vote, the candidate with the least amount of votes will be eliminated. The candidate who received the least votes will have their votes distributed accordingly to their voters' second choice candidates. If there is still no majority after that, the process continues until one candidate receives the majority of the votes. Let's look at an example. Let's say there are 5 candidates for an election. You pick candidate 2 as your first choice, candidate 1 as your second choice, candidate 5 as your third choice, candidate 3 as your fourth choice, and candidate 4 as your last choice. After all votes are counted, none of the candidates received a majority of the vote, so candidate 3 with the least amount of votes is eliminated. Candidate 3's votes are distributed accordingly to their voters' second choice candidates. After the second choice votes are counted, candidate 1 wins. The process will continue if no one candidate has a majority after the second round, and so forth. Don't forget, the only races for ranked choice voting this year is the mayoral race for the city of Las Cruces and the races for city council. For a sample of your ballot, visit dacelections.com.